How we doing, YouTube? R6 Monkey back out again. Yeehaw! So I've just left Rest and Be Thankful viewing spot, and I'm going to head in towards Inveraray. Just to get out for the day. It's been so long since I've been up this way. Probably fucking pre that C word. We'll just say pre-pandemic, eh? Come on, traffic lights. There we go. I suppose there is a plus side to getting stopped at the lights, and nice clear bit of road ahead of me. And that is, I get to do this. Oh, I never get sick of that. Oh, good fun. This stretch of road is always notorious for traffic sitting down there with the speed gun. You can understand why just when you see how straight it is, and folk could just go crazy. But the only thing being is you don't come up this way for the nice straight road, you come up for the bends. Got to be some of the best, you know, curves about. You know, it's not too twisty that, like myself, you know, still class myself as partly novice, but you're not going to come up and feel totally, how would you put it, out your depth. You can just come up and enjoy them. Yes, a mixture of the roads and the views. Obviously with bikes like this, I bet you don't come up for the peace and quiet. I apologise, locals, I apologise. Without a doubt, some gorgeous scenery about here. Yes, the hills are alive with the sound of pop. We are quite blessed to have roads like this right on our doorstep. It is a real tricky time just now, just trying to fit in time. Obviously with the kids being off school, keep the kids entertained. Obviously still got work. And get time out on the bike. It is so tough to fit everything in. You just come out here and forget everything. See all those cares and worries I had? They're back there somewhere. And I'll not be picking them back up on the way back. It's true what they say, you'll never see a motorcycle parked outside a therapist's. When life throws you bends, just tip it in. This is as good as it gets. Money worries, forget about it. Problems at work, forget about it. But just get out on the bike and you just can't describe it, can you? Forget your drink, forget your drugs. Might be more expensive, but get a bike. Not very often we get days like this in Scotland, but see when we do, just makes it extra more, just makes it that extra bit special. And there we have it, guys, Inveraray. Do you know, I didn't even know if the day was going to happen. I had it in my head, you know, get up, head out early, enjoy the day. About 8 o'clock this morning, it was just a bit too wet to sort of think about it, and I thought, forget about it. Went, put some you know, got some other stuff done, and then about back at 12 looked out, seen it was just a bit nicer, thought right, here we go, let's head out, and here we are, guys. It all came together. So I will leave you here. I hope you enjoyed the ride for Rest Me Thankful to Inveraray. Remember, most importantly, ride safe, keep our shiny side up. Till next time, bye.